Hey everyone, today we are making a quick and flavorful potato cauliflower recipe. It's simple ingredients with big flavors. So let's see how to make this. So in a pan or a skillet, you can take a tablespoon of oil, let it warm up. Now I'm adding a pinch of cumin seed. Let them sizzle for that earthy aroma. Next, we add the cauliflower. Here, I've taken one whole big cauliflower. I have washed the cauliflower florets in hot water, added salt while washing it. Next, I've taken three small potatoes, which is cut into dice, and we're going to mix it like this. Now, we're going to season with turmeric, red chili powder, salt. Just keep it simple. The veggies shine on their own. It will bring that earthy flavor from all the spices that we have. So we have the cumin seed, which brings a very nice aroma to this recipe. Next, add salt per taste. Give it a good mix. Now we're going to cover the skillet and let it cook for 8 to 10 minutes on medium-low heat. Stir occasionally so nothing burns. This is a star ingredient here, and it's a nice trick you can use for making this recipe. I've taken 2 tomatoes, 2 garlic cloves and 1 thumb-sized ginger. Make a puree and add it to this mixture. So instead of stirring the tomatoes or diced tomatoes, we make a puree and add it to it like this. This recipe is going to be rich in flavor, very flavorful. Now we will cook in medium-low heat until the tomato, everything mixed well, combined well with the potatoes. So once the potatoes are soft and the cauliflower has a light char, it's ready. So we're going to mix it until the tomatoes, everything get mixed with the veggies. Here I'm adding garam masala. This is homemade masala that I make with we have nutmegs, fennel seed. I'll add the recipe here, the link to that recipe, how I make garam masala. So add 1 teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of this garam masala for very rich flavors. Give it a good mix. We want the potatoes and the cauliflower to be cooked well. So we're going to close the lid and cook this in medium-low heat. Now finish with fresh cilantro and give it one last toss like this. A simple, delicious potato cauliflower mix. This is perfect to enjoy with rice, roti, or on its own. Give it a try and let me know in the comments, did you like this recipe or have you tried this recipe before? We usually make this in Indian homes very often, and this is how it looks. Very tasty, very flavorful. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.